This is question 9 on problem solving from section 1 of the 2019 ECAA. So we're given a table for the prices per night of 5 rather pompously named hotels, and each of them has a different deal, which are outlined down here. And the question is, for someone that's staying for 4 nights, one of the nights having to be Saturday, what is their minimum hotel bill based on this table? So the combination of this table and the deals renders this quite a complex operation. So maybe this isn't the sort of thing where we can just guess by inspection. It probably wouldn't hurt in a sort of question to work out how much we'd be paying for 4 nights in each of these 5 options. So let's move to the Grand Hotel. Our deal is that if we stay 2 nights, we get a 3rd night free. And if we're staying for 4 nights, one of them being Saturday, which 4 are we going to choose? So Saturday is here. We can either go Wednesday to Saturday, Saturday to Tuesday, or anything in between. It looks like our cheapest options, avoiding all these 70s in the middle of the week, would be Friday through to Monday. So that means we get the 4 cheapest nights of this week. So let's choose these 4. And then how do we apply our deal? So we're staying 2 nights, that's Friday and Saturday. Then the 3rd night, Sunday, is going to be free. So what's our total for the Grand Hotel? 60 times 2 is 120, plus 50 is 170 euros. So let's keep going through. For the Majestic Hotel, our deal is that we get Saturday half price if we stay on Friday. So let's take that into account when we're choosing our 4 days. So if we need Friday, we need Saturday. Let's look either side of that to see where the cheapest days are. We can see that Sunday and Monday are a lot cheaper than Wednesday and Thursday. And so naturally we're going to want to choose Friday through to Monday. Now let's apply our deal. Saturday is half price because we're staying on Friday. That takes this 90 down to 45. Now what's our total? 3 times 40 is 120, plus 45 is 165 euros. So these two are quite close, so you can see why we couldn't have just guessed or used approximations in this sort of question. It's best to go through the details. So now let's move on to the Palace Hotel. Our deal is that we get 50% off stays that are more than 3 nights. So we know we're going to get 50% off whichever days we choose if we need 4. So which 4 are we going to choose? We need Saturday. And then which days are more expensive besides Saturday? We can see we're going to want to avoid these 90s on Tuesday and Wednesday. Then Monday versus Thursday, it looks like Monday is cheaper. So it makes sense to go Friday, Saturday, Sunday to Monday. So what's our bill before this deal? We have 60 plus 50 is 110, plus 90 is 200, plus 80 is 280. And then we need to remember to take off this 50%. What does that take us to? Half of 280 is 140. Now our 4th hotel, what is the deal? If we say 4 nights, which we know we will, we get the cheapest night free. So which days are we going to choose? Well, we just want the cheapest 4 days that we can get. If we're including Saturday, let's look around Saturday. It looks like Monday and Tuesday are more expensive than, say, Thursday and Friday. Sunday is only 50, so we're going to want to choose these 4 days as the cheapest 4 of the week. What's our cheapest night that we're getting free? That we can see is Friday, so we take off that 40 euros. What's our total? 250s as 100, plus 60 is 160. And finally, for the Plaza Hotel, we get 50 euros off if we stay for more than 3 nights. Which nights are we going to choose? We know we need Saturday, and it looks like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are more expensive, so let's go Thursday to Sunday. What's our total going to be before we take off this 50 euros? 60 plus 50 is 110, 180, 230. Take off the 50 euros, takes us to 180. So what's our minimum bill? We've worked through the cheapest option for each of these hotels, and we can see that the Palace Hotel would only cost 140. So a final answer of the minimum bill is 140 euros, which corresponds to C.